It is like we are here to do this whole review for this product called Mallu's Gourmet. And honestly, this is like probably the third time we are doing the recording, because like I said, it's an excuse to have these pickles again, and it is mind-blowingly good. Ayush, he just had, so what's your opinion of the, for instance, we'll first take we'll taste this Inji Pulli pickle, which is known in Kerala, and it is made out of tamarind and ginger. So that way it's like immunity giving pickle, it's trust us Malayalis to make food that is, to have food that is enhancing. Even the pickle is something that boosts pretty much immunity. So like being like almost probiotic food and all, like so that's what Ayush, so what is your opinion of Inji Pulli?
No, it's okay. If
He's had all of it.
If you're wondering why I didn't eat it, it's because I had it. I like this tamarind pickle. It's very good.
Correct. And then next on the list we have this garlic pickle, which is got this tangy flavor that garlic is known to have. And Ayush, what is your opinion of it?
This one is best, hands down, hands to the core of the earth. It is the best. It should be known universally. We should ship them to aliens.
Oh my god. And then finally we have this thing known as tomato
This
tocco,
is also really good.
which is really like a tomato chutney, except that it tastes a little like mango pickle.
And people who didn't try Mallu's pickle, your taste buds need refreshment.
Hey, yes, you all would. So people, I highly recommend it. It's called, Mallu's Gourmet. You can find the page on Instagram, and they are so reasonably priced for just like 90 or 140. I mean, it's really pocket friendly.